Okay, here we go on Python, and weird concept, you have to take your bags on with you on a ride that goes upside down. Go figure. Anyway, let's do this. Yeah, that's all. Well, maybe that. Road. Oh, I can, yeah. Hotel. Alright, let's go. I like the vest restraints on this as well, they're comfy. Oh, are we gonna go? Yeah, there we are, and we're off. Yeah, that's really smooth. Whoa! Goodness me, that's forceful. Whoa!
Lots of screaming from the back.
That is good.
The question is it worth a fortnight wait to get